Hey everyone, welcome back to the third episode of AI Pulse. And this episode is coming early because this week has been the biggest week in the history of AI because there have been some massive developments, some product launches, and AI hype was all around the world. I am very excited for the future of AI, and I literally want many of you to be excited and learn about AI at the same time. Also, my 75 Hard with AI challenge is going pretty good. So do check it out on Instagram, X, and on Threads if someone is using that. All the links are given down below. Now let's discuss all the developments regarding AI of this week. Alright, to start things up, let's begin with OpenAI. So OpenAI finally announced that ChatGPT is multimodal. That means ChatGPT is having the ability now to see, hear, and speak when interacting with users. So ChatGPT can understand your images, can understand your speech, and can also give you output in the terms of a speech. So whether if it's your child submitting a photo of their homework or you submitting any photo of the document, ChatGPT can understand anything now and can even answer you in the sound form. So this thing is very interesting and I am really excited to test it out and to check how far AI can go in helping the humanity. Also, the second news is for OpenAI, where OpenAI is in talks with Johnny Ive, who has been the former iPhone designer and who has been very close aide to Steve Jobs, and he is discussing with him how to create the iPhone of AI. So both of them are looking to raise $1 billion from SoftBank, and in the coming days we can see some massive developments from OpenAI in terms of more smartphone hardware as well. OpenAI is really working at an impressive pace and it will be really interesting to see what the next year holds for them. Now, the other news is coming from Meta, where Meta has an event this week where they have announced Meta AI, which will be introduced in Instagram and Facebook as well. They have also introduced a new Imagine feature for image creation. They introduced conversational AI characters also and an AI studio and more as well. In the event, they have also announced the new Ray-Ban smart glasses powered by Meta AI, which can enable you to take photos and take videos at 1080p. They have built-in speakers with 50% higher max volume than the previous generation, and they are coming in with built-in Meta AI assistant. So just imagine someone going on the street, instantly starting their Instagram live without even touching their phone or anything, just from their smart glasses. So this thing is really hyping me up and I'm very excited to try it out even once. Now, coming to the next news, it's coming from Tesla, where Tesla also revealed this week that Optimus, their humanoid robot, can now sort objects and can autonomously do yoga as well. And it is very probable that in the coming years, Tesla won't be recognized only as a car company. So the media and other agencies will not only recognize Tesla as a car company, and in the coming years we will see Tesla with a lot of AI developments as well. Now the other news is coming from the French AI startup Mistral, who has released its first LLM large language model called 7B, which is free for anyone to use and build via open source license. So a large language model which is free to build and use via open source license is getting rarer these days, so enjoy while you can. Now the other news is coming from Perplexity, which is also a large language model platform, and they have revamped their iOS and Android app, and now they are even better, and they are now just competing with their web version. Earlier the web version was considered superior than the Android and iOS app, but now the iOS and Android app is also very superior and almost same as the web version. I am also using Perplexity app for a lot of things because unlike ChatGPT, it's using the web also to search for the prompts that you type, and it's very good in the terms of the output quality as well. So do check it out. Do give a check to Perplexity as well. Now the other news is coming from a fitness tracker company named as Whoop. It is also adding an AI coach which is powered by ChatGPT. So this tracker now reviews data from the company's wearable to deliver personalized insights and training plans directly from ChatGPT. So getting recommended training plans and some personal insights from AI while wearing a smart wearable device is something that everyone is seeing as a concept of future, and companies are really jumping onto it. So it's really good to see. Now the other news is coming from Zapier, which has also announced Canvas, their AI-powered flowchart tool. So this new tool will aim to help its users plan and diagram their business critical processes. So that will also be very helpful for the business owners. And final news, after months of tense negotiations, the Hollywood screenwriters who were on strike finally won a new contract and this strike ends. And their agreement limits how studios can use AI tools to generate content, with writers securing guarantees that bots can't get credits or fully replace humans. So even Hollywood was in a fear of AI replacing them, so they were on a strike and now finally they are getting a deal. But I don't think this deal will last for a longer time, because the AI chatbots and particularly AI is getting very superior day by day. And with the recent announcements from ChatGPT also, I am very optimistic about the future of AI, and that's why since the last episode I am telling everyone to check what AI is, and if you like it, if you like the concept, you just jump into it and learn, because I am also doing that in the form of 75 hard with AI challenge that I am doing currently, and I am really enjoying the content, and I hope if you are watching me, you are also enjoying what I am learning. And that's it for this video. I hope you will like this video as well, and subscribe to the channel will also be very supportive for me. That's it for now. Thank you guys, and I will see you all in the next one really soon.